Hello, friends. We're coming in red hot with Sam Edelman leather boots. Oh my God. Let's do a try on. Let me just tell you how beautiful these are. I had to get them in natural light so that you can appreciate this color. OMGOSH. It's gorgeous. These are the Sylvia. This is almost a 3-inch heel, 2.75 inches. Fabulous all leather boot by Sam Edelman. Side zipper, so easy pull on, easy take off. Let's give them a go. Here they are. This is such a pretty boot. I love the color. I love the shape. I love the style. Sylvia is so pretty. You can wear this with leggings, dresses, slacks, you name it. Sylvia is your bestie. So I love these. I mean, just, oh, isn't that gorgeous? Holy smokes. I need these in all of the colors. Give me all of these colors ASAP. This has a circumference around the leg. It's 14.5 inches. To me, it is it's the perfect boot. Ooh, love. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Would you get a pair? Do you have these? Okay, so I am a 7.5, and they are a tiny bit snug. So I can't put an insole in these without feeling very uncomfortable. So if you want to put an insole, if you want to put any type of padding in these, you're going to need to size up a half size, if not a full size. I would say a half size. I love these, but I really feel like I need an 8 if I want to use an insole. If I do not, the 7.5 is where it's at. So I hope this helps. If you're looking at Sam Edelman boots, let me know how your winter boots are holding up. I love these and I cannot wait to wear them. Until next time.